The next one is array literals. So in the arrays were typically initialized as something like this. If you want to initialize a 4-bit array, you will just mention like this. Four element array, you will mention like this. And if you can also mention the range like this. And if you want to rewrite some of the values, this will rewrite the set the three elements to 5 6 7. Now the updated array would be 5 6 7 3. This is the updated array. And if you want to make all the values to be the same values, then you can just mention like this. This means I am getting a value of 8 4 times. And if you want to mention all the values to be default value, then in such case, let's say I want 9 and 8, then default -1. This will make this array as here I am taking so this is of 5 size 5, so it will have 5 elements. First two elements to be 9 and 8, the next rest of the elements would be -1 -1 -1. Now we will see a demo on this array literals.
Static int. Let's store the values in ascending order, so I'll be taking it ascend. Here you need to observe carefully, like you need to mention this apostrophe and then declare the values inside these curly braces. Next one is int. This is one more way we can declare the array, and you can assign the values as this way also you can assign. If you want to change a range of values, you can simply do like this: 765, let's say. And we have one more way we can declare. Here you will get a value of 8 4 times. Each element of ascend will become 8 now, which is having 4 different 4 8s. And if you want a default value to be there, you can just take default keyword and just mention the value you want it to take. So this is let me give some comments here. Static array with initial ascending order, and this is declaring an array. Called descending order values. And this is initialization, simple initializing. If you want to take new values, this is simply taking new values. This is replicate the value of 8 4 times, and this is for default value. All the values will be having 42 in this case, in this scenario. So let's try to display the ascend and descend arrays. The format specifier here we are using is %p. So at the end we'll just call the finish system task, and hope we haven't missed anything. Let's try to run this and see the output once. So here you can see at the end the ascend value is having 42 all values, and descending is having these values at the end. If you want, you can give certain other variables. Let's try to see all the variables. Sn1, sn2 I'll give. Sn. Copy this, paste. Sn1 value, sn2 value, sn1, sn2. Let's try to run this thing once. So here we are getting certain errors. So undeclared identifier sn1 and sn2. Yes, we haven't declared it, right? So let me declare sn1. Let's take 4. Sn2. So you can see the values of ascend1, ascend2, ascend and descend values. All these values you can see.